smooth, non-skidding stop with the front tire inside that white box.
Okay.
And what size you say this is, a 500?
500.
Okay. Any questions?
No questions.
Give me this and go ahead whenever you're ready. What we'll do, we'll come up here and make a sharp right turn inside the boundary.
Okay.
Don't put a foot down and don't touch the solid yellow lines with your tires.
Okay.
Now down there on the very end, there's
Yep.
a solid yellow box here,
Yep.
here, and here, and a dashed yellow here.
Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do here is make a sharp right turn inside the boundary.
Mhm.
Don't put a foot down and don't touch the solid yellow lines with your tires.
Okay.
Then ride diagonally across the course. Now make a left U-turn in that box. Don't put a foot down and don't touch the dashed yellow line or the solid yellow line here or here.
Got it.
Okay? And I'll meet you in that white box.
Stop at the box again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Any questions or anything?
No questions.
Do a good job.
Thank you. Ready?
I'm going to be standing over here on the right over here, and I'll throw my hand down. That's your sign to accelerate straight ahead. When you hit the red line, make sure your speed's between 12 to 18 miles an hour. But maintain that speed from the red line to the yellow line between them two orange cones.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as your front tire crosses that yellow line between the two orange cones, just come to a quick stop as quickly and safely as you possibly can. It's okay to take off. It's okay to skid. We don't take off for skidding.
Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
And do you have any questions or anything?
No questions.
All right.
All right.
Give me a second to get down there.
Will do.
Okay. Now on your next one, same as before,
Mhm.
I'll throw my hand down. It's your sign to accelerate straight ahead.
Okay.
When you hit that red line, make sure your speed's between 12 to 18 miles an hour.
Uh-huh.
Maintain that from the red line to that yellow line between them two orange cones, just
Yep.
like before. Now this time, instead of coming to a quick stop, remember the red vertical line, the red horizontal line?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is cross the yellow line at 12 to 18 and just swerve right in between the two red lines.
Right.
Just pretend them two red lines are a couple 2x4s fell out of a truck or something.
Got it.
Okay? And then just drive around and come back at me and I'll give you your paperwork.
Great.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yep.